When I was nominated for Windows Insider MVP just over a year ago, I was thrilled. I had seen the nomination form with these questions. My answer to each question was yes, so I gladly accepted the nomination and was happy to get awarded. Only a month and a half later, I made a cardinal mistake. Nobody had told me that as an Insider MVP, it is absolutely forbidden to voice any critics about Insider program. A few of my over 2,000 tweets were considered containing forbidden critics. As a result, Donna Saga blocked me on social media, and I was told by Insider MVP lead that criticizing Insider program will absolutely not be tolerated. Okay, I learned my lesson. Most difficult to remain quiet was when official Insider team's Twitter account tweeted this back in January. I mean, where is Insider program heading if the team itself sees tacos and Ninja Cat most important? Anyway, I am still a Microsoft in general and Windows 10 in particular fanboy. Still as passionate as I have always been. My tutorials on 7 and 10 forums have over 15 million views. Not a single member at 10 forums has as many reputation points than me, which tells something about my commitment and ability to assist fellow geeks. I organize monthly 10 forums Saturday live chats, webcasts where anyone can join to discuss Windows. Just last Saturday we had a backup special. I had invited Macrium CEO Nick Sills to tell us about Macrium Reflect, Windows imaging, and to answer our questions in Q&A. In addition, I started early this year a new website win10.guru with my partner Ed Tittle, also an Insider MVP. Our site is targeted to advanced Windows users and IT professionals. As far as I have understood, I am respected by my peers and my input is valued quite high. I would like to get my Insider MVP renewed, at the same time accepting the fact that because you can't be sure if I will criticize Insider program in the future, you probably cannot risk it. The decision is yours.